In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your gamification Notion template, an easy and straightforward tutorial to get you started on your productivity journey. If you've been wanting to blend productivity with a little bit of fun, using Notion's gamification features is a perfect way to do just that. Whether you're a complete newbie to Notion or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have everything set up just the way you like it. Let's begin by heading over to Notion on your browser. If you're not familiar, Notion can be accessed via a desktop app or a web app for maximum flexibility. Once you've opened Notion, you'll notice an arrow located at the top of your screen. By clicking on this arrow, a drop-down menu will appear, unveiling various options that may come in handy in configuring your workspace. Next, within the menu, select the Templates option. This is where the magic happens. Notion templates range widely, and they provide a framework to save time and streamline your work process. In the search bar within the Templates section, type in Gamification. You're specifying what kind of template you're looking for, namely one that allows you to integrate game-like elements into managing your tasks and goals. As you type, suggestions will start to populate. You'll want to click on See All to explore all available options. Doing this gives you a full view of the different gamification templates that Notion offers. Browse through these options until you find a template that resonates with your preferences or usability needs. Once you've found a template that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page presenting an overview of the template's features along with a preview. Now, click on the Add button. This is an important step because it initiates the process of bringing this template into your Notion workspace. After clicking Add, the next prompt will ask you to click on Add to Private. Adding it to your private workspace ensures that the template is solely available for your use, allowing for customization as per your personal requirements and maintaining your privacy. Finally, to wrap things up, click on See Template. This allows you to view how this new setup fits into your existing workspace. Take a few minutes to explore the template, experimenting with its features and seeing how they align with your productivity system. From here on out, you can start adapting and personalizing it to suit your everyday needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to set up your gamification Notion template. It's a simple process, but one that promises to transform how you approach productivity and task management. Thanks for following along, and happy Notioning.